welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another installment of moving to London, and today we're going to be talking about how to furnish a rented flat, the bedroom edition. So I moved in a little over a week ago, and I am kind of a drill sergeant when it comes to moving in places, so I made myself and my boyfriend a little bit nuts, both of us, on furnishing this room and the rest of the flat as quickly as possible. So the two rooms that we basically have done, aside from like a few little bits and pieces like decorative stuff here and there, are the bedroom and the living room. So I thought it would be a cool idea to kind of show you around the room and show you that you can make a rented flat your own. And I'm just going to tell you where some of these pieces were from, and if I can remember, I'll let you know how much they cost. The first thing I should really say is that our flat was unfurnished, so we really wanted it to be our own place, so we opted for an unfurnished flat, but there are many furnished options out there. It just makes it a little bit harder to personalize, but it can be done. So I'm gonna get started here. Our first item are these beautiful gray curtains that we got. We had curtains in here when we first moved in, but they were white, and our windows, these beautiful, beautiful bay windows, face the sunrise. So it's like painfully bright and really hot in the sun. So we got blackout curtains. We just got these from Dunelm, and they were about 40 pounds, and they cover the whole way. It's just one panel on each side, and it was 40 pounds. And then next up in this little area, we have this amazing rug, which my friend who I lived with in my last flat, Caroline, actually gave to me, and she got it from Anthropologie. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it's amazing. It's like my favorite thing in this room, so I'm very, very happy about that. I have this great blue cushion, and I have an orange one on the bed too, and those are both from Dubai, from the market. And then we have this chair and this chest that Jake had beforehand, so we moved those and they fit perfectly in this little area. And I love his little guitar by the window. It just looks so beautiful with the light coming in. And then we have this big basket full of like throw blankets and stuff like that I got at H&M Home for, I want to say it was like 25 pounds maybe. I bought it a while ago, so I'm not completely positive. Then moving on, we have this great Florence poster, a coordinates poster. It's from Mantle. I got that ages ago from them. They gifted that to me. It's amazing. I love it. And then we have his lovely musical corner with his amp and his books and all of that. And then moving on to the mantle. So we were very lucky because there's a mantle in every single room in this house. And that's incredible because it means that you can lean stuff against it instead of just having to drill holes into all your walls or hang up command strips and all of that. It makes decorating and personalizing a rented property so much easier because there's no need to make marks and all that in the walls. So what do I have? I have just a jewelry stand that I got from Amazon, like super cheap. I think it was 14 pounds. Two of those prints, the really large one and the camera one, are from Decenio, and they sent those to me a while ago. And then the beautiful flower print is from my friend Jen, and we have a bit of her work scattered around the place. I love her pieces. She has a print shop. She's amazing. She got that for me for my birthday last year. So thank you, Jen, as always. And then we just have these little, there's a mirror thing that I got from Primark for like 5 pounds. It's like a nice rose gold color. And then we have these little milk bottle jug things that I'm currently in the process of drying flowers out to stick in them. And then a nice little candle from TK Maxx. I love the candle selection at TK Maxx. They are fantastic, and they do such a good job with marking them down because they're really good quality candles. And then I think that was like 9 pounds. And we have this beautiful green plant that one of my other flatmates, she gave me all her plants, and I promised not to kill them. I don't have a green thumb, so I'm trying really, really hard, and so far it's working. But it's been so hot that the soil's been so dry. So Marin, if you're watching this, if you have any tips, let me know. So we have a bunch of plants scattered around. I definitely want to get a few standing plants for in here. I think they'd be really nice in the corners and by the window. And then let's move on to the little side table situation. So both of our end tables are just like old apple crates. Jake had them. They look really good. I'm really happy that we decided to stick with those and use them. And I don't know how much they cost. I imagine they didn't cost too much because they're like recycled crates, and they they just look really great with all the rest of the decor in the room. Then we have these amazing lamps that I'm obsessed with that I bought from IKEA for £15 a piece. They look like old oil lamps and I'm obsessed with that. I just think it looks so fun, so I wanted to buy those. We have another plant next to my side of the bed, and then I have a basket next to there because I'm so much one of those girls who has like a before they go to bed routine where I like put on like special like lip mask and like cuticle oil and lotion and all of that. So I have a basket next to the bed for that, which came in real handy since our crates don't have any storage inside of them. The crates are great as well because I hide like extension cords and stuff behind it and you can't see it. It's a really good tip. This bed frame is from IKEA and it is a king size bed frame and it was 135 pounds. And then the mattress is from Eve Sleep and we were given a 30% off discount from them. Thankfully, they're amazing. And I think the king bed ended up coming to $490, and then we got a mattress protector for another like 30 pounds. So it was a little bit over 500 pounds for that. My bedding is from Urban Outfitters, but the American Urban Outfitters. So when I purchased it last year, I was flying to Chicago, and so I bought it and got it shipped to my friend who lived in Chicago's house, and then I packed it in my suitcase to come back. So that's the bedding and the black pillows, and then the other pillows are, one of them's from Dubai, as I said earlier, and then H&M Home and Primark. The H&M Home ones are great because you buy an insert and you can change the outside as many times as you want, and it's really not expensive there. So definitely would say that that's a great place to buy some throw pillows and some cushions. And then the only piece of furniture that was in this room when we came and moved in here was the wardrobe behind me, and that's actually been a lifesaver because we were really concerned about storage in here. But as you can see, we have put stuff on top of it, which has worked well. There's a bunch of stuff that needs to be taken to the charity shop up there, and then the inside is great because it has one side that's just racks, and I'm using that side because I have like long dresses and all of that, and so I have my shoes and everything in there. And the other side, Jake has the same amount of rack space as I do, and then we have drawers in there. So we split the drawers, there's 2 each, and that's really helpful. So yeah, I know I kind of rambled on through that, but I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what you can make your space look like in a rented flat. This is our bedroom, and we've been so comfortable so far in here, and it is really starting to feel like home. I just need to put some more plants in here. But yeah, so I hope that this was helpful for you, at least giving you some inspiration on how you can make a rented flat look amazing. I mean, I think it looks amazing, but I don't want to toot my own horn. So as always, if you like what you saw, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know, do you live in a rented flat, how much you've been able to personalize it, and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye!